Now, I started this build way back in May. I just couldn't get my head around it. I'd built too many spaceships. I was beginning to repeat myself, so I shelved it. I just put it back in the box and didn't touch or look at it for months. I couldn't get my head around who I was building it for. You, the viewer, YouTube views, or just for me. And that's a scary place to be in. This channel has become something now, and I was starting to feel pressure with not getting views or just getting bad comments. Had it not become fun? Was I just trying to make something to hopefully get more than 200 views? Then I made this video. Scratch building is easier than you think. My highest viewed video of all this year so far, yet my worst build ever. A model kit, chewing gum container and cardboard. That video was designed for those thinking about kit bashing as a hobby. It was low entry, but I can do better. So I'm revisiting that water pistol. To get this build going, screw holes need addressing, so I'll fill them with filler and sand them down. Thank you to the other half, who technically sponsors every video I do because this is one of her nail files. Once everything is sanded down, I then look at the gun and think, should I start chopping things off? Nope, I'm just going to go old school and just use it straight out the box. No chopping, just sticking. I need to make some landing wheels for the front. Well, they're not technically going to be wheels, they're going to be landing pads, and some pokey ear sticks. A box of my finest greeblies I'm going to delve into and find something to make some landing pads. I find matching greeblies I can just stick together. And then using some of these from the other half's kitchen, I'm just going to greebly up the pokey ear sticks. And then I can just stick them to the greebly bits, which then get added to the water pistol. My idea for this spaceship is it's always been added to, so it's Earth's first deep space spaceship, which keeps getting upgraded, so it's always a work in progress. It looks clunky, it is clunky, but serves its purpose. Short of money, NASA needed to reuse 30-year-old technology, so bits from various old spaceships and missions were added to save time and money. Now, I'm not going to make you sit through watching me add every single greebly to this ship. Hell, most of 80% of you will have skipped to the glamour shots already. So I'll just do a little montage of me adding stuff to this spaceship, and then we can get on to the painting. And this is where I'm going to be sneaky and add the code word for those of you who, well, want to comment. Leave this code word so I know you got here before skipping this bit. And the code word is Samsung. I may have borrowed some wings from Kylo Ren's old space shuttle. I'm going to cut them down and apply them to my spaceship. Adding more greeblies to this build because you can never have too many greeblies. It's going to be a nightmare to paint though. A quick shout out to my subscribers who leave comments, keep them coming, it really helps the channel, and thank you to all my channel members. Thanks very much for all your support. And that's how the spaceship looks with some Gaahleri grey matte primer. There's a link in my description to get 10% if you want to try some of these paints yourself, and they are awesome. For the main body, I'm going to use some Vallejo tan. Just going to go all over that. You'll notice that some parts or some panels have been masked off because I'm going to go in with a different colour. And then to change things up, I'm just going to just show you on screen without a voiceover of all the different colours I'm going to use for this spaceship. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed the spaceship, and please like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. It's free to do so.